Did I get your attention? I bet I did. But I guess you're wondering why in the world I'm wearing a gorilla suit. Well, let me tell you a story. In the 1990s, the US military elite were out to capture some of the meanest, baddest guys around in Bosnia. One capture plane hard to get was a well-protected, high-value target surrounded by guards deep within enemy territory. Special forces had to strategize. They knew his route, the timing. The problem was, how could they get his caravan to slow down? How will they get him to pay attention and stop in a way that wouldn't raise suspicion in a gun battle? Do you know what they came up with? You guessed it, a guy in a gorilla suit. Sure enough, they set a man in a gorilla suit on the side of the road. And just as the caravan came around the bend to see a man in a gorilla suit, as they predicted, they disrupted normalcy and got the caravan to slow down and pay attention. That one moment was all they needed for them off the brakes and on the accelerator to capture without gunfire. There's a lesson for us from that guerrilla-style warfare. How are you breaking the norm? Are you endlessly repeating, "This is a great company and our products are disruptive"? Or are you grabbing your target's attention with a truly disruptive statement, image, or idea that allows you to capture their attention and steal a moment to tell the rest of your story? The reason this works is a disruption of the norm forces your brain to flip from what Daniel Kahneman termed your System 1 brain, which works in the realm of heuristics and thin slices, to make those subconscious decisions, which makes up, surprisingly, 95% of our decisions. Instead, it forces you to move from the status quo, forces your body to stimulate your System 2 brain to think deeper, to pay attention, to slow down, and more importantly for marketers, pay attention to what to remember. Now, you don't have to wear a gorilla suit. You can do simple things, like instead of asking for an appointment at 10, ask for 10:08. Or when you post a job, instead of saying, "Hey, this is an exciting opportunity," you could ask, "Could this message change your life?" Whatever method need to be remembered, be noticed, you have to break out of the System 1 reaction. Make your marketing go bananas. If you want to dig deeper into the psychology of why guerrilla start work, check out the summary of Daniel Kahneman's thinking. Think fast and slow. And go bananas with your marketing of disruptive marketing tactics. Hope this helps.